Good morning, dear students. So, welcome to business studies class. So, in the last class, we have discussed about the controlling process. So, you already know these are all those things. Okay. Today, in this session, we are going to discuss about the new topic, techniques of managerial control. Okay. So, we are using the various different techniques to controlling the management. Okay. You already know the management, we are using the different techniques to controlling the subordinates. Okay, so that's why the various different techniques should be used into the management control. So let's discuss about that, what are all the various different control we can use. So number one, so this managerial control can be classified into two types. Okay, one is traditional techniques, another one is modern techniques. Okay, so these managerial techniques can be classified into two types. One is traditional techniques, another one is the modern techniques. Okay, in the traditional techniques involved personal observation, statistical reports, break-even analysis, and the budgetary control. Okay, so these traditional techniques which have been used by the companies for a long time. Actually, traditional in the sense it is an old sense. Okay, in the past we can use these types of techniques, but these techniques have not become absolute and are still being the companies they are used or not. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಈ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳದೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಒನ್. In the past period, we can use these types of tactics, okay, to control the management. Okay, now let's discuss about one by one. So these traditional techniques like personal observation, statistical reports, and break-even analysis, and the budgetary control. These are all those things comes into the traditional techniques categories. Okay, so next one is the next type of techniques is modern techniques. Modern. So modern in the sense that presently we are going to use and adopt each and every business organizations. Okay, so these management modern techniques can be used for controlling of those which are result in original or comparatively new in. Okay, so newly the management can adopt these techniques. The management and literatures and also these techniques provide a refreshingly and thinking of the ways to which various aspects of management and all the organizations can be controlled. So presently these all those techniques the management can be used and adopt into the modern world. They can go to innovate the new things and also easily achieve their organizational goals and objectives. Okay, especially this modern techniques nowadays is very much beneficial to controlling the management. Okay, so that's why more than the popular techniques we can use means that is called as this modern techniques of management. These modern techniques include return on investment, ratio analysis, then responsibility accounting, then management audit, and PERT and CPO. PERT means program evaluation and review technique. Okay, then critical path method. CPM means critical path method we can use. Then management information system. Okay, these are all those things. So it comes under the modern techniques. Yeah. Okay, so now let's discuss about one by one in detail. Okay, the first one is traditional techniques of managerial control. So in this traditional techniques, the number one is personal observation. So ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ personal observation. So we are going to, or if any superior can observing the subordinates or personally. Okay, this personal observation, it is one of the traditional techniques can used by management. That is one of the most traditional method of control. Okay, basically it is one of the past periods we can use these types of technique. It is one of the most traditional technique. So this personal observations enables, if any, the manager to collect first hand information. Okay, so directly they can go and see their subordinates work, or directly observing the subordinates work. It can going to collect the first hand information. Okay, so it is also creates a psychological pressure on the employees to perform well. They are aware to they are being observed personally on their job. Okay, so when the superior can psychologically personally can observe if any subordinates, in that time subordinates are mentally one of the psychologically become aware. Okay, for example, in the colleges also, schools, and we are adopting CCTVs. Okay, already know this. In this CCTVs, in a principal, he can going to observe through the CCTVs in his chamber. Okay, personally he can observe what their teachers and students are doing into the classroom. Okay, so this is one of the awareness creating by both students and teachers. Why means one of the superior can observing this. Okay, ಸೊ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ಸಬಾರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾನೋ, ಅಪ್ಪ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ನಾನು ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಕೆಲಸನ ನಾನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಅವನು ಆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಸರಿಯಾದ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದಿ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ personal observation. Personally observing if any superior to subordinates. Okay, another one is the next one traditional technique is statistical report. Next one is statistical reports. Okay, statistical report is the reports. We can going to prepare certain reports here. Statistical means we are going to get calculate. Okay, so it is in the form of like we can prepare the averages, or sometimes we can prepare identifying on the basis of the percentages, ratios and correlation, etc. Through that we can going to calculate the statistical report. Okay, averages or any percentages or ratios. Okay, so through that we can going to prepare this statistical reports. Okay, sometimes if any managers can regarding performance of this organization in various areas. Okay, you already know the management is one of the big activity. Many organizations having the different levels of management, they can go into see the in different departments how they are going to perform this. You are going to analyze on the basis of the statistical calculations. Okay, such information when presented in the form of like a charts and also graphs and tables, etc. Okay, after preparing the reports on the basis of this calculations of the mathematical terms, just we can go to measure on the basis of the charts. Okay, charts or any graphs we can use. Okay, sometimes we are also preparing certain tables. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ರಾ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಚಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು taking any corrective actions and controlling by the subordinates into the organizations. Okay, like that, if any manages to read them more easily and allow a comparison to made of performance in previous provides into the various benchmarks. Okay, so when we can go into preparing these types of charts, graphs and tables, the manager can easily identifying and comparing. comparing the activity. This comparison is depend upon standards and actual. Okay, what is standard and actually present what is happening to the organizations. Okay, so it is the present performance which we are going to comparing with the standard performance. Just we can go to identify the differences and taking corrective actions. Okay, so this is one type of controlling techniques. One type of traditional controlling techniques we are using into the management. That is called as a statistical reports. Okay, so clear? So one of the controlling traditional techniques is, one is personal observations, another one is statistical reports. Okay, remaining will be discussed into the next class. Okay.